In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your WISE statements. If you need a clean record for bookkeeping, reimbursements, or taxes, WISE makes it straightforward to download exactly what you need, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish. Begin by opening WISE on your phone or visiting the WISE website in your browser, then sign into your account. If you use extra verification, just complete that as you normally would. Once you're in, look at your home screen and choose the specific balance or account you want a statement for. WISE organizes money into balances, often by currency, so make sure you select the one that matches the transactions you want to document. Inside that balance, find the section labeled Statements. This is where all statement options live. When you open it, you'll be asked how you want the period defined. You have two choices. Monthly statement gives you a ready-made calendar month document, which is great for routine reporting and clean month-end reconciliations. Custom date range lets you define the exact start and end dates, which is helpful when you're preparing a report for a non-standard period, closing a project, or aligning to a specific audit window. Take a quick moment to confirm you've selected the correct time frame so every relevant transaction is included. After choosing the period, you'll decide how to get the file. Click Export if you plan to work with the data in a spreadsheet. Export typically generates a structured file that's easy to sort, filter, and analyze. Or click Download PDF if you want a polished, ready-to-share document with the essential details laid out in a familiar statement format. Both options contain the same underlying activity for the period you selected. It's just about the format that best fits your workflow. When you click your chosen option, WISE will generate the file. If your date range is large or you have a lot of transactions, give it a moment to finish. Your device or browser will save the file to your default downloads location. It's a good idea to quickly review the statement so you can confirm the balance, currency, and date range are exactly what you intended, and that opening and closing balances look right for the period. If you maintain multiple balances, repeat the same process inside each one to gather separate statements. And that's all there is to it. Open WISE, sign in, select your balance, go to Statements, choose Monthly or Custom, then Export or Download PDF. You now have your WISE statements ready whenever you need them.